Hello viewers, welcome back to Ariba Drawing Tutorials. Today we are drawing a scenery in a circle. So let's start. First of all, draw a circle. I'm using a black marker. Now draw a middle line or diameter in between the circle. Draw a circle sun. On the side, draw a little bit of rocks. And now we are drawing the trees. These are the coconut trees. This is a third one, coconut tree. Now try to make its leaves. As I've already shown you in my shorts video how to shade a coconut tree leaves. As similar to that process, similarly you will have to apply that technique in making the leaves of the coconut tree. Now we will cover the rocks in black, as it's a black and white scenery. I hope you like my videos. I'm very happy to see your response on my previous videos. Thank you for liking and commenting on my videos. I'll make more videos, and please do comment on this video also. How is this drawing? Now shade the bark or the trunk of the tree just like this. I'm using a 2B pencil. I hope you will find easier with the techniques that I'm showing you. Just shade it in from upward to downward directions, giving some strokes. Similarly, now we will shade the outer part of the sun as rays are coming out of the sun. And again, as I say, smudge some of the lines with your own finger, as it looks very clean and elegant. Look, I've smudged it with my own finger and it looks very elegant. Now we will shade the trees, making the leaves of the tree, shading in upward strokes. The strokes must be equal to each other and attached. Give some pressure to the pencil while making these strokes for the leaves. Apply some pressure as to look them a little bit darker. There we go. Now make lines on the trunk of the trees to look more realistic. Now draw some birds in the sky. Pointing their wings. Now make a shadow of the sun in the water just like this. Now giving some shades to the river. The stroke technique of shading. And that's it. Our scenery is done. Thanks for watching this video, and please do comment how is this video, what should I improve, and what should I make for you in future. Thank you my viewers. Thanks a lot. Subscribe to